First I have x comma y equals 0 comma 1. So I'm going to assign 0 to x, 1 to y. Key in x, y, and I get 0, 1. Now I key in x comma y equals y comma x plus y. So that's going to take y, which is 1, assign that to x, and then x plus y, that's 1 plus 1. Assign that to y, so I should get 1 and 2. Let's find out. Key in x, y, I get 1, 1. What happened? Well, it took the current values of x and y and put them in here right at the get-go. So y was 1, and it came over here and said x is 0, y is 1, and it put those in there, did the computations, and then assigned them like that. So 1 goes into x, and then 0 plus 1 goes into y. That's how they did that. That's why I key in x comma y, I get 1, 1. X equals hello. What's the length of x? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I get 5. X equals hello. X, the 0th element, should be h. And it is. X, what's the 0th up to but not including the 4th element? Print that out on the screen. Okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oops, not 4. So HELL is going to get printed out here, and it does. X equals hello. The length of x is 5. Minus 1 is 4. So x's 4th character, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, should be give me an O. And it does. Now if I count the opposite direction, it's not 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's starting right to left. It's negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5. So negative 1 would be the O here. And it is. Here's x with 3 elements. This is a list. It's got 3 elements. What is the 0th element? ABC. That's what I get. The 2th element of x is 0, 1, 2, GHI. That's what I get. Next is, I'm going to take 5, 10, and high and assign that to A, B, and C respectively, just like that. What's in ABC? 5, 10, and high. Now, I get the shell up and running. I go to File, New File. There's my new file. Make it bigger. And now, first thing I key in is from the URL lib.request from this library, import the following method, URL open. Okay, I'll do that. What do you want to do with URL open? I want to open up a URL called http://textfiles.com/ oh, it's going to be too long. I put in this backslash character. That's a line continuation character. I'm going to keep typing the rest of the contents of this line on the next line, and that's allowed. And textfiles.com/science/ astronauts with more than 500 hours in space .txt. That's what the file name means. Refer to this and all the data here on this particular website as TD. Now, I assign the value of 0 to x. Now, TD has all those lines of text in it. For each individual line in TD, that's a nice name for a variable, do the following. EIL, yes. Decode your data using UTF-8. Get rid of any funny binary stuff. Okie dokie, he says. Oh, one more thing, EIL. What do you want? I want you to split them all up into individual words on each line. Okay, I'll do that. Now assign all with that entire line with all the individual words to lots of words variable, LOW. Now increment x, and then print out value in x and the lots of words line. So the line's going to have individual words with quotes around it. That's all. It was split up. And then it'll have the line number next to it. And here we go. The first few lines are header stuff. And then, the name of the astronaut, the number of hours he spent in space. E. Gibson. Oh, that's Mel Gibson's brother, I think. And He spent 2017 hours in space. Poe. Kung Fu Panda was in space. What do you know? Conrad Lorenz was in space. And Lucy was in space, too. No, at the end of the movie, she went to space. Alright, well, that's it. And see in the page 2, my notes in Python. This is George Boole. Please share and rate this video, and good luck.